welcome to marathonjourney.com v5.26, where I use the Jeff Galloway run, walk, run marathon training method to get through the allergy season of February. Yes, it is February. It is heading towards 70 degrees. Everything is blooming. My head is going to explode. My nose is running. I'm coughing. Oh my word. Usually this kind of thing happens around April, May, but February and everything is in bloom, and oh my word. So just a little over 5 miles today, because it not only is it hot, but the pollen count is absolutely ridiculous. So we're just happy to get in 5 miles before my head explodes. And we're gonna, now that we're through with the run and we've calmed down a little bit, we can get some allergy medication into us and hopefully enjoy the rest of the day. But man, there have been cold spells in Florida. I know that there are rivers and lakes that are still iced over, but here on the left coast, yeah, it's summer in February. But no matter where you're at, you can always go out and train. But nothing's going to happen unless you open up that door, put one foot in front of the other, and if you do that, I'll be seeing you out here on the road.